The name here is Leo V7 Lima Oscar Papa, ang inyong lingkod, ang pinakamakulit at hindi nyo naririnig sa ere na call sign V7 Lima Oscar Papa. In behalf of our group po, thank you very much po for inviting us for the 31st Grand Eyeball. Sa mga kuyang, hopefully, gusto namin po ng Grand Eyeball, kaya lang busy pa po kami sa susunod. Maybe next time po, we'll think about it. Maganda sana kung kunin nila sa New York o kaya sa Toronto.
Aray!
Yeah, bago pumunta ulit sa amin. Yun lang po, no other, thank you very much. Maraming salamat for the group po ng Mabuhay. This is a big success, as you can see po. Nandito tayong lahat. Let us help one another, especially with this type of occasion po. Magsama-sama tayo, magtulungan tayo. And as the Hagi says, we are at the heart of a ham radio operator. Wala po tayong kinikilingan at wala pong ibang lahi sa atin. Everyone is welcome from different countries, different nationalities. Religion din po, wala din po yan. Friendship is for everyone and the love of radio is in our heart and we spread it all to you. Thank you.
I heard I love radio. And unfortunately, I think John, he already left. I love radio. I feel bad, but tonight is today is their anniversary. I feel to greet them happy anniversary. But we are honored to be one of our I love radio, and that's an awesome call sign also. So let's move on. Matulis. Matulis, anyone? Meron ba matulis dyan? Angel, calling Angel. Calling Angel. Matulis.
Matulis mo, Angel!
There you go.
Yeah, good evening sa inyo lahat from the Bay Area, Matulis Amateur Radio Club.
Labas ang matulis!
Quiet lang, quiet. We are representing the Bay Area in the group, and the new elected president to the Bay Area Amateur Club. So very gladly and thank you very much for being with us. And we're here to support the whole 100% of the Amateur Radio Club. And also first international Grand Eyeball. On behalf of the Bay Area Amateur Radio Club and the Matulis Group, thank you very much.
Alright, thank you, Abdul. So let's move on to Spider. Anyone from Spider? Spider Group. Hello, Spider Group, calling once. Oh, there you go, Ramiro.
Okay, I'm from San Diego. I got a member of YDX, Magellan, and Spider. Wala naman kong ibang sasabihin ko. Thanks for coming in Las Vegas! Alright, we just having fun. And thank you for Ray Las Vegas hosting this 31 First Grand Eyeball. Ray, thank you very much, Ray! Alright, thank you, that's all.
Thanks, Ramiro. From San Diego. Okay, let's move on to Mabuhay Amateur Radio Club. Anyone from the Mabuhay Radio Club?
Malis na si Jojo.
Malis na.
Ito si Joel.
Wala na. Malis na. Last call.
Joel.
Alright, let's move on. Philomars. Anyone? Philomars.
Maraming pong salamat. Maraming pong salamat, Learner Sarno, K6LPS. Palagay ko, hindi na ako narinig ngayon. Noong araw po, narinig niyo ako 7 years ago. Hindi niyo na ako marinig ngayon. No way. No, hindi na. Hindi marinig niyo po ako. Nabisi lang po ako. In behalf of Philomars and the All San Diego, I wish na we'll see you again. And sa lahat po naman, maraming salamat sa lahat ng umaten. Alam ko na pinaghandaan niyo ito. Sa lahat po na magdadrive, ingat po kayo.
Thank you.
At hopefully po makauwi po tayong lahat ng mahusay. Sa lahat po nagpa-apply, we pray for you. And I'll see you on the 32nd. Wala pa siguro Philippines. Maybe. Maraming pong salamat, Pere.
Thank you. Thank you. So much love and friendship in this room right now. So let's call Free DX, Canadian Free DX. No, or Michael. There you go.
Thank you, right? Yeah, oh, there you go.
Hello, check. Radio check. May kopya ba dyan? Magandang gabi sa lahat. B6 CSR, Colonel, from Edmonton, presenting the Free DX Group. Maraming salamat, Ray, for inviting our group. And you have been done. Congratulations, very nice arrival. Hopefully, we'll see you guys in the next arrival again. So, thank you. Mabuhay DX, Nevada Group. Congratulations. Maraming salamat. No, he is my advisor. Ang kumanta na around the world. Arikoy.
Thanks, Mike Romero. Mike Romero. And Linda, Edith, and Lolo. Alright, let's move on to... Should we call Magellan right now? Magellan, the biggest off.
Oh, Magellan.
Off. Okay, alright. Still thinking about his speech. Okay, Golden State Amateur Radio Club. Golden State. Ruben.
Joel is here.
Do we have a Golden State? There we go, Joel B.
Hello, I'm Joel here. Golden State is long gone. We just brought it up because it's been a while. Golden State's been hurt on the IGU. Anyhow, thank you all for coming. Congratulations, Ray, and your group. And you guys did a good job.
Okay, we move on to Pathfinder. Pathfinder, anyone here?
Thank you, Ray. Good evening. Magandang gabi sa lahat. My name is Buboy. Victor Echo 4, Sierra Bravo Sierra. All the way from the city of Winterpeg, Manitoba, Canada. Thank you. Mabuhay DX Nevada. And I believe this is job well done, as we say. We host the event year 2000, the 7th and 16th run Eyeball, 2016 and 2000. So, nangyari na po sa amin. Kaya, nakita ko, I believe this is the best I could say. Thank you, and magandang gabi. And hopefully, we'll see you in 32nd. Thank you.
Winterpeg. New York. Okay. I don't want to lose my thought, but I want to bring back some memories among all of you, and I'm pretty sure you know more than me. I'm pretty sure. This organization, the Mabuhay DX Group, has a very, very long history, dating way back 1994. In the middle of our souvenir journal is my group's tribute to this organization. We have silent keys in there. We have a selection of all-time photographs, and also one of them is the 1994 poster for the first International Grand Eyeball. Before I proceed in calling the other clubs, I would like to acknowledge the people who made that happen, the first International Grand Eyeball. You know who you are. Please stand next to me here. I would like to acknowledge those people. You know who you are. I don't. That is very, very important to this event. Number one is we are not just promoting friendship here, we are promoting the tradition, and this tradition is the International Grand Eyeball. It doesn't matter which club, we are adopting the theme of the International Grand Eyeball. See, I don't even know who they are, but I was just looking at the 1994 poster, and it made me think, who are these people?
The intention of the Grand Eyeball, even before, we conceptualized it. And sila bibigyan ko ng mic. Pero that time, if I have the audience, medyo silent muna tayo, no? And this is serious. Please, quiet lang. Quiet lang. Okay. So, ang nangyari noon, nag-usap kaming apat. Yung isa noon ay si K6 Bravo Gold. Wala siya dito ngayon, namatay yung si Alex Fernandez. Ang time na yon, ang sabi namin ay kung mapapagtagpo natin itong lahat, if we can make this happen with all the amateurs all over the world, at that point, kahit magkakaaway tayo buong taon, yung 3 araw na magkakasama tayo ay magkakaibigan. Yun yung premise. No, I'm serious. That's the premise. Kung sa following Monday magkakaaway tayo, okay lang yun. Mag-meet ulit tayo next year. Magkakaibigan ulit tayo. Yun yung premise, and we adhere to that. Ang nangyari noon ay sasabihin, si Bernard muna, tapos si Ramira. Tama na ako, madami akong sinasabi.
Good evening, everyone. Calling Kilo 6 Bravo Fox. First of all, thanks for coming in, supporting the 31st Grand Eyeball. We, as the first sponsor or organize the Grand Eyeball, I really appreciate what we've been doing for the last 30 years. The tradition continues. So keep it going. Enjoy the radio. Like what Joel said. If we got some misunderstanding for the 3 days that we're here, we all friends. That's all I can say. So Mabuhay 73 and good DX.
Okay, again, me again, N6W Giant. Alright! Love you two guys. Me and Joel and Bernard and Alex Fernandez. K6 Bravo Golf is not here. And we're the original starting on this Grand Eyeball. Thank for Joel also starting on the Grand Eyeball. Until now, the power of the Grand Eyeball keep going! Yeah! Thank you for Joel and the rest of the group right here, okay? And again, this is the easy to connect, Ecolink, Zipper FM, anywhere or HF, All Star, we are as one. Okay? And thank you very much, and thank you for coming Las Vegas!
Isa pa, no? Ang masasabi ko, Kire, nag-usap kami way back when this started in CDO. Pinesent natin ito sa CDO na 31st. Ang daming nagawa ni Ray na ang daming problema, ang daming nangyayari. Pero sinabi natin na susuportahan natin si Ray. And I think we did it. We're about 60 plus sa Magellan. Here. Okay. One more thing. Wag nating kalilimutan na magkakaibigan tayo today. Okay? Kahit magkaaway tayo tomorrow. Hindi. Yun talagang essence nun. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. And how can you top that? These are the guys who started International Taibo in 1994. Sabi ko sa inyo kanina, I thought we were just promoting friendship, which in my mind and in my heart, whenever I turn on my radio, I'm out there looking for friends. I was calling CQ to all my friends. And I have friends every single day. You guys answer, and I really appreciate that. My wife, I don't know how comfortable my wife is right every time I go to my radio room, and she's finding a lot of liberty to do whatever she wants to do, right? Anyway, thank you guys. Thank you.
Sino papasukin ko, boss?
Oh, wala magpipicture lang. Next, please.
When we're taking pictures, I've been always congratulated, but the truth is, this is my group here in Las Vegas, the NA7LB. I could not do it without them. All right, so NA7LB, I owe you everything. And my accolade right now is not just for me, this is for the entire group.
Very good, man.
Okay. So let's move on. Pathfinders, I think. Pathfinders. Done already. Like, how can I forget? Kapihan. Kapihan Network. Kapihan.
Salamat. My name is Rudy. November 6th, not Oscars, over here in Toronto. Of the Kapihan Network. It's just a small group. Basically, it's a multi-mode system, etc. You probably already heard that. But everybody has that. And what we're trying to build is basically... What we're trying to build is basically... Okay, sorry. Yung coach ko sabi, ulitin ko lang. My name is Rudy. November 6th, Delta Oscar Zulu of the Kapihan Network. And basically, it's what everybody has. It's a multi-mode system. So it's a system where everybody connects and QSO with different modes. So everybody has that. But what we're trying to do as ham radio operators is to build a community. So it doesn't matter if you're on All-Star Link, C4FM, DMR, you're free to come by and just talk. That's what we want to do in this hobby. I mean, although, I'm sorry, but I've only been in this hobby since 2019. Greenhorn! So hey, I'm new in this, so I'm coming in with fresh eyes, right? So what I see is basically it is a community. So whatever our differences are, creed, class, color, whatever nationality we are, whatever our beliefs are, you know, that's something we put off to the side because we just want to talk, right? So whatever it is, so I'm glad that we do have this. This is my first time attending a Grand Idol. Thank you. Greenhorn. So I'm glad to have able to have met all of you. Not personally, giving you my card just so you know who I am and or you can call me. And we'll see you next year. Okay. So, you know, to put faces on the voices that we've heard and also meet people that we can talk to next time or the next day or whatever. So, I'm very glad that I did come and I'm sorry that I missed the last few. So, I'm happy that I'm here. It's been a great experience to see you all. So, let's keep it going. Let's put our differences aside and let's just love each other. Thank you. November 6th out to Oscars will read 7-3.
Okay, let's move on. There might be, I think there's a couple of people or groups that are not represented in this banner that we want to acknowledge. But before that, I would like to thank, and I may not have acknowledged our club member who really is shining. K7OHM, thank you for your gift, your talent, the musical talent. And let's acknowledge K7OHM for his saxophone. Thank you kasi! Before I call somebody from the Philippines delegation, let's call the Washington. We have a group from Washington. Is that McEarley's group? Robert, Phil? McEarley, KC6HFF.
Okay na.
Huh? What is that? How about Robert, Phil? NR6 Foxtrot. Are you there? No? They're not here? Okay. Coming, I feel. Okay, whatever is happening to Boeing, don't blame him, okay?
Good evening, everyone. This is NR7 Foxtrot by the name of Phil from CJ Lima. Thanks everyone for coming. This is really great opportunity. It is my first time to attend a Grand Idol. So, I represent Washington State.
Tawagin ko sana si Captain K. Wala na pala si Captain K. DU9X, sorry. DU9X. Malitin pala. Okay, we still have a delegate from the Philippines, Andrew. Andrew, are you still here? DB1. Andrew. And then we will call the last two groups with the biggest delegation, always big delegations. Andrew, if you could say a few words on behalf of the Philippine amateur radio guys. You're not singing.
Well, magandang
Magandang gabi sa lahat. So, I'm from the DULAN, Andrew. My call sign is Delta Victor 1 Zulu Echo Juliet. So, sa mga hindi sa mga hindi nakakilala, I'm the technical representative of PARA, which is the PARA Digital Network. So I also mentor some fellow hands-on sa atin. So yeah, I'm happy to be here and na-feel ko yung warm welcome ng everyone. Salamat sa lahat, especially CNR family. Thank you.
Okay, so we have two presenters today to thank Dandy of Signal Scan. His call sign is Hotel Zulu Radio. Okay, Dandy, such a good presenter today, and if you saw his presentation today, let's support him. Being one of us, let's support Dandy, and of course the Palomar Engineers. Thank you, with Bob Brev, and Frankie. Thank you. Also, I cannot forget Fillmore. You know, Fillmore has to be part of this celebration, and I hope this message get to him. I really feel sad that he is not here with us, so he is a big part of our community.
Lumabas na ang totoo. Big salamin na. Hindi na ba kayo magtitimpa? Tanghali na kayo magigising eh.
You ready?